Hey, what's up? Bill and Abby, Bill and Abby's Box Breaks. Spent some Trump money, got some stuff. Yeah, we got another one of these soccer sets that has one auto and two relics, and we got 2 boxes of Star Wars, Women of Star Wars. We're going to do those in this video. And then I also bought a case of Game of Thrones Season 8 and 7 boxes of Spider-Man Homecoming. We'll be doing those in future videos, but Abby's going to open her soccer set first here and see what she gets. She's hoping for an Alex Morgan or Hope Solo.
What are you doing, crazy? Come on, get out.
Remember, they're in the center, remember?
Are there any number cards?
That I don't know. I can't remember if there were or not. But here.
Something like that.
I think if they were numbered, they were like relics or something. Or not only in the relics, because the numbered regular ones, I think these are just the regular set cards. I don't think there's any numbers in these. Yeah, this is just the set.
Yeah. And then that goes right there. And then that's that card. This will be a short one then. There's that, and then... Wait, that goes like that, and then that goes like that. I'm big brain. There we go, and then...
Alright, let's see what you got.
So, like, Nick Raimondo. 96 out of 299.
Nick Raimondo.
Lauren Holiday. 107 out of 299. And then for autograph, Tim Howard, he's a goalkeeper, yeah.
Oh, that's the
37 out of 49. That's not that bad.
Tim Howard, 37 out of 49. That's a good one too. Tim Howard.
Is he the goaltender?
Yeah. USA goaltender.
That's cool.
So cool.
They're new ones that I haven't gotten.
I'll give you some sleeves for those when we're done. So, all right, which one of these do you want?
Either one. Just you pick one first.
All right.
Okay,
I believe the autos in these are all the top pack from everything I've seen online, so we're going to do the top pack last. Just in case.
Fine.
Here. So top pack on the bottom, if that's the case. Alright, let's see.
So what is it like? This one's
that one should be the auto from all the breaks.
Cool
all the breaks I've seen, that's your auto. If you do happen to get an extra hit and a sketch or a plate or something like that, it'll be in one of the other packs. But and you can get numbered cards too.
Ooh.
These look kind of nice.
What are numbered cards? I think they're on
There's
the back.
Powerful Pairs, Satine and Bo-Katan.
I'm guessing their things will be on the back.
These are inserts too. These. Would you get it on your pairs? Your Powerful Pairs?
What do you mean?
Powerful Pairs. This one.
Oh.
Stasi Sali and Aldi Galia.
Galia.
How much are those boxes?
45, I think. And then, is the balloon numbered at all?
No.
No. Okay. Here you have it. Just put them all in one box here. All right. Pack number 2.
Oh, yeah, come on. You cannot tap that. Oh, yeah, I can put it on the floor now because she's not here. Oh, she's up here.
Zam Wessel. Lovey. Yeah, it's even got the chick from the video game in here. Eden Verzal from Battlefront 2. The Journey of Leia. That's an insert.
Why are you putting them all in my
I'm just putting them all over there for now. Hopefully we can get a sketch. Those are hard. You'll get 2 per case on the sketches though.
Lightsaber thing. That's cool.
I got a Weapon of Choice blaster, Padme. That's an insert.
Yeah, I got one of those too. I got
Did you?
Katana.
Sketch or plate would be nice. Oh, I got a sketch.
Oh, cool. Ew, what are you doing? Crazy. Crazy. She's like,
Carlos Caballero sketch. I have no clue who this character is, but the sketch looks really cool. So if anybody knows who that
Oh, wow,
character
that
is,
looks pretty cool.
let me know.
What does it look like? You can't see it.
It's just, it looks like a Twi'lek or something. Girl, little girl.
I see. That's cool.
Yeah, that's
So
a really
real.
good sketch. So that's good. Out of the 12 boxes, you only get 2 sketches in a case. So we got one.
We need another one done, Gabe.
Yeah, here, just put some of these in there.
Yeah, there's some cool ones falling out. Wow.
Hopefully we can get a Daisy Ridley auto.
Ah.
I'd probably have a heart attack.
Who's that again?
Daisy Ridley, Ray.
Yeah, right?
Or even Amelia Clark. She was in Solo.
Yeah. This is,
Oh, I got a numbered card.
Did
look,
you?
Look at that one. That one was cool.
oh cool. Cara Dune.
Powerful pairs.
Who's your powerful pairs?
I just said.
Oh,
Lay and
here we see one.
Ray and
Ray and Leia,
Leia.
powerful pairs.
And I got 60 out of 99.
Oh, and she got it numbered. Asajj Ventress, 60 out of
That
99.
was cool. I like that one.
How many packs you got left?
One.
That's what I got. That should be your auto.
That look.
Powerful pairs, Aura Singh and Lots Razi.
And you got a numbered card.
And a numbered 91 of 99 Bazine Natel.
Okay, I just.
Alright.
Ready? Stop it. She's like,
Furball.
I'm gonna eat you.
Abby's Furball sitting on the bed with us up here.
Or a Carrie Fisher cut card.
Oh yeah, that would be nice too. Alright, so
Okay.
where's the auto? There's the auto, so I'm gonna put that. It's like the second to the last
there it
card
is.
or
No,
whatever.
it's the third
Or
to the
it's,
last
okay,
card.
so weapon of choice, lightsabers, Barriss Offee.
Okay, I'm on my last card.
Alright, me too. Alright, who'd you get?
Ooh. Yeah, make certain these are numbered. Okay.
Ah, it's an animated person.
61 out of 99, Marina Velasco.
I didn't get too many of these just because there's a lot of animated autographs, and I'm not a big fan of all these animated. And then this one is
Come here.
7 of 99.
Ivy.
Oh, Sabine Wren. Taya Sakar. I've got one of her in one of the older Star Wars sets, Sabine. So anyway, that's it for this video. We're doing these 2 boxes. I may get some more of these. I don't know. I have to wait and see. But we got a lot to bust open. So like and subscribe. We'll be back with another video soon. See ya.